Do you also doubt on yourself whether you will become a fluent speaker or not, whether you will achieve your goal or not? So I want to share with you something. I think after listening that one, you are not going to doubt on yourself. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. There is one quotation, my friend, which goes like this: doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Once again, I want to repeat it. Doubt kills more dream than failure ever will. So, in our case, we doubt on ourselves that I'm not capable enough, I can't do these things, I think I'm not talented enough, I should not take the first step. These all are the symptoms of doubt. Okay, we should not doubt on ourselves, rather we should strongly believe in ourselves. We should believe in ourselves that I'll definitely become a fluent speaker. One day I'll definitely speak this language in front of anyone. Okay, so if you have that kinds of mindset, nothing can stop you. You can become a fluent speaker or you can achieve anything. But what hold us back? Our doubt that I think I'm not good enough. Why? Because many people, they just took few months and now they are speaking very well English. In my case, I have been learning for a long, but there is no improvement at all. This is our bad thinking. We should not think, we should not compare with other one, I think. But easier said than done. We compare with other one, but somehow if we can control it, let's try to control. Okay, stop comparing with other one, stop doubting on ourselves, start believing in ourselves, and start comparing with ourselves, that how I was before 1 month, how I was before 2 months, like that. Okay, that will lead you towards progress, that will lead you towards fluency. So what is the bad things if we doubt on ourselves? See, my friend, I have heard from so many people, though they were good at speaking. So I just spoke with a few people, and when I listened their English, they were quite good at English. But when it came to talking on any topic, they were saying, no, I can't talk. Then I thought, what is holding them back? Why they are unable to talk on any topic? What could be the reason? Then I found it is their doubt. I told them that, why are you doubting? You are good at speaking. You are already speaking so good way this language. Then why are you saying I can't talk on any topic? And many of people, they speak this language very fluently, but they doubt that my grammar is not good. I think I'm making mistake. It is their doubt which is making their English worst. Okay, so we should think that I'm a well speaker, and then you will see the result also. Though you are not good today, though you are not best speaker, not best but a better speaker, you will definitely become a better speaker. How? If you believe in yourself. There are multiple of people, they just doubt in any field. If they go, firstly they doubt, I think I can't do, I think this work is not for me, I'm not meant for this work, like that. Okay, so this is not good habit. So from today onwards, you should stop doubting on yourself and start believing in yourself, my friend. See, it is really very difficult to learn another language, and we are trying. It means that we are talented enough. And I had heard these lines in my beginning days. See, when I was beginner, I was also doubting. When I felt that it's very difficult, and I kept trying, but I was unable to see any improvement in myself. Then I thought, I think I am not meant for this language, or I think I can't learn this language. So I came across one video. In that one, teacher Tiffany, she is from America, she was saying that you are talented enough, you have a very good mind, and that is why you are trying for another language, right? So in your case also, my friend, you have really very good mind. Okay, that is why you are trying to learn English language. So why are you doubting? From today onwards, stop doubting and believe in yourself that one day you will definitely speak this language. Though today you are unable to speak, it's the process that we have to go through. So everyone is going through the same kinds of process. Okay, no one was excellent in their beginning days. Okay, they had to struggle a lot, they had to do a lot of hard work. In your case also, you are also doing hard work. So if you doubt, so there will be no value of your hard work. I mean that it will hold you back. Okay, instead of getting positive result, you will see the negative result, that really you would be unable to explain things, you would be unable to speak this language in front of people, and that's what I don't want. So what I want from you people, that believe in yourself. One day you will definitely become a fluent speaker. In my case, my friend, when I listened to teacher Tiffany, or when I watched teacher Tiffany video, that video motivated me a lot. It just gave fuel to me. Okay, I thought really my mind is sharp enough, that is why I'm trying to learn another language. So in your case also, you are also trying to learn English language, right? It's not our mother tongue, however we are trying, we have learned so many things. It is the sign that we are talented enough, right? So from today onwards, stop worrying and start thinking positive. You will see the positive result. As I told you, so there are many people, they are good at speaking, they are good at grammar, though they keep doubting on themselves, and that is why it takes years and years to speak this language fluently. But instead of doubting on yourself, if you start thinking positive, you will see the positive result in few days only. Okay, just apply it on you for few days, not for 1 month like that. Okay, just apply it for few days, and the thing which you are not doing just because of doubt, do that one. It could be speaking this language, or it could be speaking in person. Okay, what we think, okay, I am able to speak over the call, I am able to speak in front of camera, but I think I can't speak in front of people. That is also our doubt. When we are able to speak over the call, when we are able to speak in front of camera, why we will be unable to speak in front of people? It is our doubt. Okay, we will be able to speak. So if you keep doubting, then you will see the negative result. So from today onwards, don't doubt on yourself, my friend, and start thinking positive, that you can learn this language in any field. Just think positive. Okay, because what we do, we just prepare physically, that we buy book, we watch multiple of videos, we try to learn vocabulary, so many things. But when it comes to preparing mentally, we don't even focus also. But I think before we start that external things, that physical things, that I want to read this book, I want to watch this video, I want to learn grammar, before that we should prepare mentally, that I am confident enough, I can do it, I don't doubt on myself, I'm ready to take the first step, I don't care if I get failure. If you think such things, then definitely you will win, then definitely you will achieve whatever you want. So in case of learning this language also, my friend, you will definitely learn this language. Why are you doubting on yourself? There are many dreams which are being killed just because of doubt. So don't doubt from today onwards. Just think positive and take the step as soon as possible. If you don't take the first step, then time is fleeting, my friend. Okay, then you will regret that I wish I could have not doubt on myself, I wish I could have taken the first step. There are multiple of people, they don't even realize also. Instead of taking the responsibility on their self, what do? They want to keep themselves safe. For that reason, what do? My environment was not good, and my friend, they told me that you can't learn this language, so many things. They just give the lame excuses. So we should not become like them. We should become like those who don't fear the failure. Okay, we learn a lot of things from our failure, right? Let's suppose if you are going to talk to someone, and maybe you are unable to speak properly this language, but you will learn from that person, that how he was speaking, how she was speaking, right? But instead of talking to any person, if you are thinking, I mean overthinking, that what if I talk, I may make mistake, my friend, it would be better to go and talk to any person and clear your doubt, okay, and learn from them. Now you are not in the condition of teaching someone, no problem. Now you are not in the condition of explaining things properly, no problem. One day you will be. Today it's your time to learn from someone, okay? Then you will become explainer, that people will learn from you. So firstly, if you want to speak this language, firstly listen carefully. If you want to become a good explainer, then the person who is explaining, listen them, okay? So take the first step in any field, not only in learning this language, but in doing anything in your life, my friend. Don't hesitate to take the first step. Otherwise, as I told you, time is fleeting, okay? So take the first step and you are capable enough to do anything in your life, okay? So I also think like that. And when I was beginner, as I told you, that I was also doubting on myself. But since I watched that video, then I realized, really, I think I'm talented enough. There are multiple of people in India, they are not even able to understand this language, right? But we are able to understand. That is the positive thing. Second thing, when it comes to speaking, there are multiple of people, they are not even trying, but we are trying. It is also second positive things. There are multiple of people, they understand, but they are not trying to speak, but we are trying. That is the third positive things, right? So there are so many good things we are doing. Instead, we lament. We think that I'm not doing anything by comparing with other one. Okay, we should not compare, I think. And in my case, I don't compare. I compare with myself. But sometimes it is human tendency. I can't say that I have completely overcome these kinds of situation, that comparing with other one. I compare. I do compare, but I just want to overcome, and little bit improvement has taken place in myself. I don't compare a lot, and I don't doubt on myself. I think that I can learn, but we should not be overconfident that I can only do. No, I can do, I can learn. That is the positive. It should be positive way. Not only I can only learn, right? So that is also, I think it's overconfident. We all can speak this language. Not only I only can speak this language. No, anyone can speak this language if they try. So you should also become like that kind of person, and definitely you will see the improvement, my friend, okay? Initially I shared with you that quotation, doubt kills more dream. So think about this one, ponder on this quotation, that really doubt kills more dream. You know, whatever you want to do, just take the first step and start doing. Otherwise you will see that time is just fleeting, and you will just lament, you will just regret that I wish I could have done, okay? So don't do like this. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.